Your journey to releasing music in 2026 involves more than just hitting upload. You need to focus on 4 key areas: setting up, managing the technical side of your release, ensuring local compliance, and setting realistic goals for your debut. High-quality audio and compliant cover art are mandatory for platforms to accept your release. Ensure your audio is in WAV or FLAC format, properly mixed and mastered, and that your cover art meets the specific pixel and formatting requirements. Accurate metadata and proper legal verification are critical for smooth delivery and ensuring you receive your royalty payouts. This includes finalizing song titles, timelines, credits, and your identity information for financial processing. Distributors act as essential intermediaries between you and the streaming platforms. They handle delivery, manage administration and ISRC codes, and collect royalties. Keep in mind that they generally do not provide marketing services. Choosing the right distributor depends on your budget, preferred payout currency, and the specific regional features you need. Compare services based on these factors to find the one that best suits your needs as an Indian artist. Follow a strict 4-week timeline for your release to maximize its potential. This includes dedicated weeks for initial setup, content submission, processing, and building in buffer time for editorial readiness. Once your song is live, active profile management is vital. Claim your artist profiles on platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube. Additionally, prioritize editorial pitching and drive engagement during your first week to build momentum. Set realistic earning expectations for your first release. Remember that true income grows as you build a catalog of releases. Maintain a consistent release schedule to foster long-term growth. Avoid common mistakes that can hinder your progress, such as rushing your release, picking the wrong distributor, stopping after one release, or choosing free services that may cost you more in the long run. Your first release is just the start of your journey. Prioritize asset compliance, consider INR native distribution, schedule with enough lead time, and focus on long-term consistency to build a sustainable music career.